Hello friends, today we will learn the concept of volume. Volume is the space occupied by a three-dimensional object. Here some three-dimensional objects are given. Let us study their formula of volume. First figure is a cube. The formula of volume of cube is side cube. If we take side as A, then the formula will be A cube means A into A into A. Here see one thing. What is A into A? It is the area of the base, which is a square shape. So we can write the formula of volume as area of base multiplied by A is the third side, the height of cube. The volume can be written as area of base into height. Next figure is a cuboid with length L, breadth B and height h. The volume of cuboid will be length multiply breadth multiply height. Again, when we take the first two values, that is length into breadth, that is the area of a rectangle. Here the base of a cuboid is a shape of rectangle. So area of base multiply by again height. The third one is a cylinder whose radius is r and height is h. Its volume will be having the formula pi r square h. Again it is area of base into height. So we have the formula of volume of three-dimensional objects, and please take the screenshot of this page, learn these formulae properly, and let us start the sums. The first question says, which cylinder has more volume? We are having two figures, cylindrical figures. Let us call it as A and the other one as B. Here we see both have dimensions 7 cm, 14 cm. 7 cm, 14 cm. So we can say that both may have same volumes. But let us check the volume of both by using the formulae. We have volume of cylinder A. The formula is pi r square h. We take pi as 22 by 7, r the radius of A. Here diameter is given. Diameter is 14 cm. Therefore the radius will be half of diameter. Half of 14 is 7 cm. Radius is 7 cm. Next is h, height. Height of cylinder A is 7 cm. We substitute all these values in the formula. We get volume of cylinder A is equal to pi r square h using these values. Then 22 by 7, opening the squares, that is 7 squares are 49 into 7. Cancelling, we are left with 22 into 49 and multiplying these two, 49 into 22, 9 2s are 18, 4 2s are 8 and 1 9. Then again 98 here and the total 1078. 1078 and the units of volume will be centimeter cube. This is the volume of cylinder A. Similarly, we calculate volume of cylinder B. It will be formula is same, pi r square h. Here pi is 22/7. R the radius of cylinder B. Again diameter is there. Diameter is 7 centimeter. Radius will be half of 7. That is 7/2. And h the height of cylinder B, it is 14 centimeter. We put the values, and the volume of cylinder B will be pi r square into h. Calculations, opening the squares, 22/7, 7 into 7, opening the square, 2 into 2 is square of 2 into 14. Now cancellation, 7 goes with 1 7, 2 goes with 22, 2 goes with 14, and what is left? 11 multiply 7 multiply 7. It is 7 7s are 49 into 11. It will become 49 into 11 like this, 539, and the units centimeter cube. Question was, which cylinder has more volume? We have to write both the volumes and compare them. Which is more? 1078. And therefore we conclude cylinder A has more volume than cylinder B. This is how we can compare two figures. The second question is, find the height of a cylinder whose volume is 1.54 meter square and the diameter of whose base is 140 centimeter. We have to find the height of cylinder whose volume is given and diameter of base is given. We write the formula of volume of cylinder. It has the formula pi r square h. Here volume given to us is 1.54 is equal to, pi has the value 22/7 into r. Where is r? It is hidden over here. Diameter is 140 centimeter. From here radius will be half of diameter, that is 70 centimeter. Half of 140, 70 centimeter. Again, one more thing to notice is the units. R is having the unit centimeter and the volume is in meters. So we are converting 70 centimeter into meters by dividing with 100. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So now it is in meters. Radius is 70/100 r square into h. H is our question. We have to find the height. Next step, 1.54 is equal to 22/7 into 70/100. Square means writing it 2 times into h. Cancelling the zeros, and this 7 get cancelled with 7. Now all these terms will be shifted to the left hand side. Here left hand side is 154 upon 100. Removing this decimal into this denominator will become numerator here 10 into 10 and numerator terms 22 into 7 they goes in the denominator and right hand side will have only value h. Cancellations 0 with 0. Again this is for the table of 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 is left. Again 7 2s are 14. This 22 get cancelled with 22. 1s are 22. Therefore we have 1 is equal to h, or h was height. Height is 1 meter. This is the required answer. Let us see one more question. A box has the dimensions 60 cm, 54 cm and 30 cm. How many cubes of size 6 cm can be kept inside this box? Here the shape of box is a cuboid and its dimensions are 60 cm length, 54 cm breadth and 30 cm is its height, and the side of cube is 6 cm. We are keeping these two cubes inside this big cuboidal box. We have to find how many total cube boxes can be kept inside this big box. Here one important thing to note is whenever we have to find out the number of boxes or number of bricks, number of tiles, any counting number we have to find, then what we have to do is divide the bigger volume with the smaller volume. Like in our given question, the bigger volume is that of cuboid and smaller volume is of cube. When we divide these two volumes, we will get the counting number of cubes. So let us see the sides of cuboid. They are given as 60 cm, 54 cm and 30 cm. Therefore, volume of cuboid becomes multiplication of these three like this. We are not multiplying right now. We are keeping it as it is and the dimensions centimeter cube. Similarly, side of cube, that is 6 centimeter, and therefore volume of cube will be 6 multiply 6 multiply 6 centimeter cube. Now to find how many cubes means number of cubes that can be put in cuboid, the bigger box, that will be volume of cuboid divided by volume of cube, means bigger volume over smaller volume. Put the values 60 into 54 into 30 cuboid volume, divide by 6 into 6 into 6 the volume of cube. Doing the cancellation work, 6 5s are 30, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. We have 10 multiply 9 multiply 5 and it will be 9 5s are 45, 45 10s are 450 and it is the number. We write number of cubes inside the cuboid will be 450. In this way we can calculate the sums Practice the more sums from your course book also. For your queries, write in our comment box. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button so that you may get the notifications of our latest videos. Work hard and stay healthy. Bye bye.